For years, you guys have asked me to show you what's in my nursing work bag, and the reason I have not is because I don't really have like an aesthetically cute bag. This is what I've carried around for years, and I am going to show you everything that's in it. I did not go through this. This is like it's going to be cringe. This is going to be kind of embarrassing, but literally, we're going to do this together. We're going to be surprised together. Okay, we're going to start with the top. I've got my stethoscope. I wiped this down. Don't worry. I know this is in a lunchbox, but I wiped this down after every use. I also have Eddie Joe's vasopressor book in here for when I have time to read it on my shift. I also have, oh my gosh, mini Sharpies because I don't like running out of my mini Sharpies when they go dry. I like have to have one on my badge. A breakfast bar that's like crushed. Don't know how long that's been in there for. Some L'Occitane hand cream. I love this stuff. This is actually amazing. This can stay. And the Rhodes Peptide Lip Treatment. And then a piece of popcorn and a random cookie. Okay, we have two pockets on the bag as well. Very designer. On this pocket, I have my work badge. I have a G-Shock watch. Why not? Why not? And then I also have some hand cream that the cap is off and it's basically empty. We're saving the best for last, the front pocket here with all this miscellaneous stuff. I've got another lip oil. Want my lips to be good, I guess. I've got a badge reel for when mine breaks. Another badge reel that my friend Tracy gave me, a Crocs one, because she knows I love Crocs. So I keep that in there because once my badge reel breaks, I'll just put on a new one. What is this? Oh, a note. My husband sent me this note in the tube station. It says, "To Ashley Adkins, I love you, but I'm mad you didn't answer your phone. Love, hubby." Sometimes with his job, he ends up at my work, so he'll try to call me or send me love notes, which is cute. A Sour Punch straw. I never eat these. Oh, I probably brought this home for my daughter and forgot to give it to her, but it's like, it's pretty hard. Some, what are these called? Pepto-Bismol. I'm like, I'm a nurse. I should know what these are called. You just never know. You never know. Binder clip, Pepto-Bismol wrappers. You guys, some more meds. Loratadine. I can't really say that. I don't know what any of these are, so I'm just going to toss those. They've been in there so long. Let's see. Do I have anything else in here? Oh, yes, I do. Oh, there's my Peptos. There's my Peptos, and there's my Tums, and an empty Zofran, because sometimes I'll bring Zofran and stuff to work in case I start to feel sick. And more Loratadine. I think that's it. That's my whole work bag.